Back to products in your inventory screen, it's also really important to know that your products are going to be associated to a location. So if your location does not have the correct setup as far as if it doesn't offer, if you don't have that specific location that offers like local delivery, or if you have a location that offers different types of shipping outside of the uShip calculated rate, just know that on checkout, sometimes you will run into issues because of Shopify's limitations, where if a customer chooses an item that is a local delivery item and they also choose a product that is a shipping item, they will not be able to check out. So Shopify limits the delivery or shipping type or pickup type to only allow for one kind of checkout, basically. So either all your items need to be shipped, or all your items need to be local delivery, or all your items need to be in store pickup. They cannot do a pickup order and a local delivery order and a shipping order all in the same checkout process. They will need to check out separately for each one of those things. So, for instance, if I wanted to have a couch delivered locally and then pick up my vase, I cannot do that. If I want to have my cabinets, or let's say I want a bookshelf delivered to my house, but then I also want a local delivery of, a vase or something like that, or a lamp, I cannot do that. I could only do all shipping, all local delivery, or all in store pickup. So you can have multiple types of shipping options. So if, like, say, for example, you have that lamp in the bookshelf can still be shipped through uShip, and the lamp can be shipped through like UPS or another carrier. That is totally okay. Shopify can handle that. They cannot handle multiple delivery types.